Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell, I'm a little sick. That's why I haven't been doing voiceovers. But for this particular project, I wanted to do the voiceover for it because even though it's a simple design, it's hard for me to type out exactly what I'm doing here. So for the traceable file for this, I do have that. It is located on my private Facebook group, Rocking It with April May. If you're not a member, just send a request and it'll get approved almost immediately, and then you'll have access to all of my past traceable files. Sorry, my brain's not working. So as you saw in the traceable file, I did the swirl design, and then I made sections for the red, the orange, the yellow, the green, the blue, the purple. And now I'm taking my paints, and I suggest just grab all of your paints, especially like your iridescents, pearls, color shifts, glitters, things like that. So you'll want your basic rainbow colors, and then any of like the specialty paints you may have in those same color ranges. So what I did was I started with the red, and I did just basic red on the left hand side, and then I'm going to be progressing the color to more of an orange red as I move to the right. But I'm still adding like some purple into the red on the left hand side of that section, if that makes sense. So you want the purple to bleed into the red, you want the red to bleed into the orange, you want the orange to bleed into the yellow, and so on around the design. And then within that design, and I'm just making stripes of varying widths. And then within that, some of those are going to be pearls, some of those are going to be iridescent, some of those are going to be glitter, and that's totally up to you how you want to do that. I kind of made sure that I had like standard color, and then maybe a glitter, and then a standard color, and then like a pearl, and then you could do a glitter and then a standard color. I kind of mixed it up so that I didn't have two glitters next to each other or two pearls next to each other. I wanted to break it up. And then you definitely want to have the colors. You want some of that yellow towards the orange, and how do I explain this? So in your sections, you want the bordering sections, you want that color within the main color you're working in. So if you're doing yellow, you want orange. You'll want a small orange stripe within the yellow section over towards the left-hand side. And then within the same yellow section on the right-hand side, you would want like a yellow-green to be within the yellow section. That's the way I did it. So I had the neighboring color filter into the main color I was working on. See here, I'm putting in a green in the yellow. And it's like a lime yellow green. And I made my red, orange, and yellow sections smaller than I did my greens, blues, and my purple section was kind of small too, but I had a lot of greens and blues. So I just made those sections a little bit bigger. Plus, those are more of my favorite colors, are the purple, blues, and greens, as opposed to reds, yellows, and oranges. And you don't have to do it. You could use a traceable and change the colors. Excuse me. You could change the color sections if you wanted to. Just switch it up and do whatever you want to do. This is just to give you some inspiration moving forward with this design. So I'm just going to let this play through and not do any more voiceover. But if you do have any questions, just message me or drop it in the comments section or whatever, and I'll be glad to try to explain it. I'm not sure if I'm being real clear on how I did this, but hopefully you can just watch the video and see what I'm doing. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you'll give it a shot. Make sure to join my private Facebook group. I'd love to see you over there. I'd love to see what y'all are working on. And anyway, I'll let you enjoy the video. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.